Hello everybody, this is a sound test of the RF Limited CR-577 microphone. I'm using a microphone test center going through the Cobra extension speaker. Now this microphone requires a 9-volt battery. Pop off the door on the back. It has a volume control as well as a tone control. It's the same case as the 2018 microphones, but doesn't have the echo. So I'm going to go ahead and talk into the microphone. I'm actually using a different one. Tone control set at, this one is set at about almost 5 or 6. Here we go.
Audio check 1 2. Hello, test 1 2. RF Limited CR-577 microphone. I'm going to go ahead and change it, the tone setting. Audio check 1 2. Testing. Hello, radio. That's with the tone setting all the way down. Not enough hands. Here we go. Tone setting is on setting 10. Audio check 1 2. Testing. Hello, radio. Anyway, there you go. CR-577 by RF Limited, makers of Magnum. And you can pick yours up online. CB Radios Pronto. Thank you very much. Have a great day.